Bonjour, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. My grandmother was making it, my mother too, and the same with me. Homemade Dulce de Leche. Beautiful, thick and creamy. This is the best way to achieve this deliciousness. So let's get cooking. In a large pot of boiling water, using tongs, we'll place a can of sweetened condensed milk, making sure it's well submerged. I like placing mine sideways so it rolls during the process, cooking the mixture evenly. I simmer it on medium heat for 2 hours and 20 minutes, but depending on how thick we want it, like when making a nice core banoffee pie, which is coming up next month, we want to go for 3 hours so the caramel is very thick. Keep an eye on it so the can is always submerged. It's very important. Otherwise, the mixture might crystallize. What I do is to boil water in my tea kettle and replenish as needed. When time is up, we'll carefully remove the can from the water and let it cool completely. When we're able to handle it, we should have something that looks like this. Wow, that's pure deliciousness. As you saw in this video, it's easy to make, plus the taste and texture are superior to the pre-made ones from the store. Did I mention it's cost effective? I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!